Have you noticed that constipation seems to creep up more often as you age? It's one of those uncomfortable yet common struggles for people over 60, yet no one really talks about it. But here's something you should know. Constipation isn't just an unavoidable part of getting older, it's your body's way of telling you that your digestive system needs better support. And the best part? Fixing it doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, 99% of constipation issues can be relieved simply by eating the right foods. In this video, we're diving into 5 powerhouse foods that can naturally keep things moving. These aren't just ordinary foods, they're fiber-packed, gut-loving ingredients that work with your body to restore regularity without the need for harsh laxatives or uncomfortable treatments. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, effective strategy to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and feel lighter every day. So stick around, because the solution isn't in a bottle of pills, it's already in your kitchen. Let's get started. 1. Prunes, nature's most powerful digestive aid. When it comes to natural remedies for constipation, few foods are as effective as prunes. These small, wrinkled fruits might not seem impressive at first glance, but they have been used for centuries to promote healthy digestion. Prunes are packed with dietary fiber and contain a unique natural sugar alcohol called sorbitol, which acts as a gentle, natural laxative by drawing water into the intestines. This process softens the stool, making it easier to pass and promoting a smooth, regular digestive flow. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives that can cause cramping, dehydration, and dependency, prunes work in harmony with your body, supporting a natural, long-term digestive balance without discomfort. Despite their incredible benefits, many people avoid prunes because they associate them with outdated remedies or believe they are only for the elderly. But here's the truth. Prunes work, and they work remarkably well. They don't just provide short-term relief. They actively support gut health, regulate bowel movements, and prevent future digestive issues. They are also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, offering additional benefits beyond digestion, such as improved bone health, reduced inflammation, and even better heart function. Unlike over-the-counter medications, which can strip the gut of healthy bacteria and lead to long-term imbalances, prunes help nourish and restore the digestive system naturally. Consider Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher who had been struggling with constipation for over a decade. She had tried nearly everything: fiber powders, herbal teas, probiotic supplements, and even prescription laxatives. But nothing provided consistent relief. Some products caused painful cramping, while others left her feeling bloated and sluggish. Frustrated and exhausted from constantly searching for a solution, she confided in a friend who recommended prunes. At first, she laughed off the idea, assuming prunes were an outdated remedy, but out of desperation, she decided to give them a try. She started with just 3 or 4 prunes a day, eating them as a mid-morning snack. Within a week, she noticed a significant change. Her digestion felt smoother, bloating was no longer an issue, and best of all, she wasn't dependent on laxatives anymore. It was a simple yet powerful change that completely transformed her daily routine. What makes prunes even more appealing is their versatility. You don't have to eat them plain if you're not a fan of their chewy texture. They can be chopped and mixed into oatmeal, blended into smoothies for a naturally sweet boost, incorporated into yogurt, or even added to baked goods like muffins and energy bars. For those who prefer a more refreshing option, soaking prunes overnight and blending them with water creates a gentle, fiber-rich prune juice that works just as effectively. However you choose to consume them, the benefits remain the same: improved digestion, reduced bloating, and regular, comfortable bowel movements. So if constipation has been an ongoing challenge for you, it might be time to reconsider prunes. They're natural, effective, and incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. With so many ways to enjoy them, there's no reason not to give them a try. You might be surprised at how quickly they help restore balance to your digestive system, leaving you feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized every day. The key to better digestion isn't in a pill bottle, it's in your kitchen waiting to be enjoyed. 2. Chia seeds, the tiny powerhouse for digestion. Chia seeds may be tiny, but when it comes to digestive health, they are nothing short of a nutritional powerhouse. These small black seeds have an incredible ability to absorb water and expand, forming a gel-like substance that helps keep digestion smooth and efficient. Loaded with soluble fiber, chia seeds work by softening stool and making it easier to pass, providing a natural, gentle solution for constipation. If you've been struggling with sluggish digestion, adding chia seeds to your diet could be the simple yet effective remedy you've been missing. What makes chia seeds so unique is their extraordinary water-absorbing ability. When they come into contact with liquid, they expand up to 10 to 12 times their size, creating a gel-like bulk in your digestive tract. This process not only helps move waste along more efficiently, but also keeps you feeling full longer, making them a great addition to any diet. Unlike fiber supplements, which can sometimes cause bloating or discomfort, chia seeds provide a natural, gentle way to regulate digestion without harsh side effects. Take Robert, for example. At 71, he had been dealing with occasional constipation for years. He had tried fiber powders, probiotics, and even different dietary changes, but nothing seemed to work consistently. Some supplements left him feeling bloated, while others made no noticeable difference. That's when his daughter, a nutritionist, suggested chia seeds. Skeptical at first, Robert decided to start small, just a spoonful mixed into his morning yogurt. Within just a few days, he felt a difference. His digestion was smoother, he felt lighter, and the bloating that had bothered him for years was finally gone. It was such a simple change, yet it made a huge impact on his daily life. The best part about chia seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your routine. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, stir them into yogurt, or even mix them into a glass of water or juice. If you're feeling adventurous, you can make a delicious chia pudding by soaking them in milk overnight, creating a fiber-rich, gut-friendly treat. The key is to let them soak in liquid before consuming, as this allows them to expand and do their job effectively. So if constipation has been slowing you down, why not give chia seeds a try? They're small, tasteless, and effortless to use, but their benefits are anything but small. Sometimes the simplest changes can have the biggest impact on your health. 3. Oatmeal. The gentle fiber that keeps you regular. Oatmeal is one of the most nourishing and gut-friendly foods you can include in your diet, especially as you age. Unlike harsh fiber supplements or chemical laxatives that can cause cramping or dependency, oatmeal provides a gentle, natural way to keep your digestive system moving smoothly and consistently. This wholesome grain is rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water in the intestines, forming a gel-like substance that softens stool and eases elimination. If constipation has been a persistent issue for you, something as simple as adding a warm, hearty bowl of oatmeal to your daily routine might be all it takes to restore balance to your digestion. What makes oatmeal such a powerful digestive aid is a special type of fiber called beta-glucan. This unique fiber does more than just support digestion, it also helps to regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and keep you feeling full longer. Unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause bloating or digestive discomfort, oatmeal is easy on the stomach, making it an ideal choice for those looking to improve their gut health naturally. The slow-releasing carbohydrates in oats also provide steady energy throughout the day, helping you stay active and alert without the sluggishness that processed foods can cause. Consider Joe, a 74-year-old retired firefighter who struggled with constipation for years. He had experimented with fiber supplements, herbal teas, and even over-the-counter laxatives, but most of them either didn't work well or left him feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Frustrated with constantly feeling sluggish and irregular, he spoke to his doctor, who suggested a simple fix. Eat oatmeal every morning. At first, Joe was doubtful. Could something as basic as oatmeal really make that much of a difference? But within just a week, he started noticing positive changes. His digestion felt smoother, his stomach was no longer bloated, and perhaps most importantly, he no longer had to rely on other remedies to stay regular. It was a simple, natural solution that worked effortlessly. One of the best things about oatmeal is its versatility. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, there's a way to enjoy it that suits your taste. You can top it with fresh fruits, drizzle it with honey, add a handful of nuts and seeds, or even mix in cinnamon for extra flavor. If you like savory breakfast, try adding a poached egg, sautéed spinach, or a sprinkle of cheese. Not only can oatmeal be prepared on the stove or in the microwave for a quick and easy meal, but you can also make overnight oats by soaking them in milk or yogurt overnight. Perfect for a no-cook breakfast that's ready to eat when you wake up. If you've been searching for a simple, natural way to relieve constipation, oatmeal might just be the easiest and most effective solution yet. It's warm, satisfying, and packed with fiber, providing your digestive system with the support it needs without any extra effort. The key to better gut health isn't always found in a supplement. It's often found in the simplest, most nourishing foods. 4. Sweet potatoes. The delicious way to stay regular. Sweet potatoes are more than just a comfort food. They're one of the most effective natural remedies for constipation. Packed with fiber, water, and essential nutrients, they help keep your digestive system running smoothly and efficiently without the need for harsh laxatives or medications. If you've been looking for a tasty, effortless way to improve digestion, sweet potatoes might just be the perfect addition to your diet. So what makes sweet potatoes such a powerful digestive aid? It all comes down to their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and promotes smoother bowel movements. Unlike some fiber-rich foods that can be harsh on the stomach, sweet potatoes offer a gentle, soothing effect, making them an ideal choice for seniors looking for a natural way to support gut health. Plus, they're loaded with water, which hydrates the intestines and helps keep everything moving properly, a crucial factor in preventing constipation. Take Eleanor, for example. At 71, she had been dealing with chronic constipation for years. She tried drinking more water, taking fiber supplements, and even using over-the-counter laxatives, but nothing provided lasting relief. The discomfort and bloating had become a part of her daily life, until she discovered the power of sweet potatoes. Skeptical but hopeful, she started adding a serving of sweet potatoes to her meals a few times a week, sometimes baked, sometimes mashed, sometimes roasted. Within just a few days, she noticed a difference. Her digestion felt smoother, she was more regular, and the uncomfortable bloating she had dealt with for years was finally gone. It was a simple, natural change, but it made a world of difference. But the benefits of sweet potatoes go beyond digestion. They provide a steady source of energy, essential vitamins like vitamin A and C, and powerful antioxidants that support overall health and inflammation reduction. Unlike processed foods that can slow digestion and cause discomfort, sweet potatoes offer clean, nourishing fuel for your body. The best part? They're incredibly easy to prepare and enjoy. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even blend them into soups. Their naturally sweet flavor makes them a delicious addition to any meal, whether you enjoy them as a savory side dish or a sweet, satisfying treat with a sprinkle of cinnamon and honey. If constipation has been a struggle for you and you haven't tried sweet potatoes yet, now is the time. They're nutritious, delicious, and one of the easiest ways to keep your digestive system on track. 5. Kefir. The gut-friendly drink that restores digestion. If you're searching for a natural, effortless way to improve digestion and finally put an end to constipation, kefir might be the answer. This creamy, tangy, fermented dairy drink is packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that keep your gut healthy and your digestion running smoothly. Unlike fiber supplements that can take days or even weeks to show results, kefir starts working almost immediately, making it one of the best and fastest ways to restore gut health and relieve digestive discomfort. So, what makes kefir so effective? It's all about the probiotics. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when this delicate balance is disrupted, digestion slows down, leading to constipation, bloating, and discomfort. Processed foods, stress, medications, and aging can all throw your gut bacteria out of balance, making it harder for your digestive system to do its job properly. But here's the good news. Kefir helps restore that balance by flooding your gut with live, active cultures that break down food more efficiently, increase nutrient absorption, and help waste move through your system with ease. The result? More regular bowel movements, less bloating, and an overall healthier digestive system. Take Walter, for example. At 75, he had been struggling with chronic constipation for years. No matter how much fiber he added to his diet or how much water he drank, he never felt truly comfortable. The bloating, sluggishness, and discomfort were constant, and even occasional use of laxatives didn't provide lasting relief. Then, on his doctor's recommendation, he decided to try drinking kefir daily. At first, he was skeptical. Could something as simple as a fermented drink really make a difference? But within just a week, Walter noticed a major transformation. His digestion felt lighter and more efficient. He was more regular than he had been in years. And for the first time in a long time, he wasn't constantly thinking about his digestive issues. It was a small change with life-changing results. That's what makes kefir so powerful. It doesn't just provide temporary relief, it works from the inside out, healing and strengthening your digestive system so that constipation becomes a thing of the past. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can drink it straight, blend it into a smoothie, pour it over cereal or fruit, or even use it as a base for salad dressings or sauces. It's a simple, delicious, and effective way to support gut health naturally. If constipation, bloating, or sluggish digestion have been holding you back and you haven't tried kefir yet, now is the time. It's gentle, natural, and one of the easiest ways to bring your gut back to balance. As we wrap up this video, take a moment to reflect on the 5 powerful foods we've discussed. Constipation after 60 doesn't have to be something you just accept. It's something you can take control of. The key isn't relying on quick fixes or over-the-counter solutions. It's about giving your body the right tools to function naturally and efficiently. And these 5 foods do exactly that. So what stood out to you the most? Which of these foods have you already tried? And which ones are you planning to add to your diet? Maybe you've been eating oatmeal for years but never realized how much it supports digestion and gut health. Maybe you've been skeptical about kefir but now see how probiotics can transform your digestive system. Or maybe this video gave you the push you needed to finally start adding more fiber-rich, gut-friendly foods to your meals. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content to keep you informed and inspired. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.